Goodbye Instagram. Goodbye Facebook. Goodbye all the other apps that I use very rarely. And yes, goodbye YouTube. Hello there, so the purpose of this video is to tell you about the challenge that I'm about to take, which is 30 days without social media. It is a challenge that I decided to take inspired by yesterday's video, 30 days without social media changed my life.
The thing that has caused this entire situation was me realizing that I was spending way too much time on social media.
As well as the book Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport. So this is 1st November 2021 and this is me deleting all of my social media apps. One of the main reasons why I decided to do this challenge is because of my screen time. For those of you who didn't know, it's possible to check how many hours per day or per week you are spending on your mobile phone, and for me it is about 3, 4, sometimes even 5 hours per day on my mobile phone, and I really would love to change this, I would say bad habit. And so let's see, will these 30 days help me to transform my life into hopefully something new and beautiful. Goodbye WhatsApp, goodbye Messenger. And yes, goodbye also Spotify. Not only I decided to quit social media, but also to quit both Messenger and WhatsApp. This is primarily because I am inspired by the book Digital Minimalism to really try to communicate with others either through phone, like through messaging if it's like really important, or like having a call, and to have more face-to-face conversations so that I don't want to say waste that much time, but so I wouldn't spend that much time just chatting with people, but would rather choose to spend my time in more quality way. So let's see how will it go. Good luck for me. Hopefully I can survive these 30 days without social media.
To maintain the habit of not using social media, I planned carefully what kind of activities I would do in the time I had now. One of such was running. This month, for a change, without Spotify, without headphones. So I finally have more time for running. And for the first time, without listening to music. It's been quite great. I also played guitar more than I used to. And edited quite a few photographs. Finally, it was time to spend more quality time with my new family here in Slovenia. So it has been more than a week since I stopped using social media, and I already can see some differences in the way how I feel or in the way how I spend my time. I have started journaling and writing my thoughts down much more often. The communication itself, yes, it's more complex and it might take more time, but in the end I feel free of something that was there all this time before. Let's see how the rest of the month will go for me. Alright, so one of the changes that I'm proud of is the screen time of my phone usage. If previously it used to be 3 to 4 to sometimes 5 hours per day, now it has been reduced to 1.5 till about 1 hour per day, which is mostly for calls or messages, or sometimes photographs. This means I already have more than 10 extra hours per week to do things that I really want to, which is amazing. One of such things, dancing. Joining Zumba class in the local sports club was a great way to stay fit and to get to know more locals. Another important thing, taking time just for myself.
In the age of social media, sometimes we tend to forget to look away from the screen. It felt so good to wonder, to discover, to reflect, to be just on my own with my own thoughts.
So this is the 20th day without social media, and today we are on a hike.
Finally, the time had come to try something new.
How are you feeling?
Scared,
Scared.
excited, and cold.
Today it is like, what's the temperature outside? What's the
It's warm. It's 7 degrees, right?
We are about to take a swim in
This lovely sea.
this lovely sea. Let's go up. And so, this is my last day without social media. It's been 30 days, and to be honest, I can't believe that this month passed so quickly. Will I go back to social media? Yes, I will go back to it. I kind of miss seeing what my friends are doing and also sharing some of the amazing experiences I'm going through here in Slovenia. But what I will definitely change is the way I use it. I will continue not having Facebook on my phone. I will change the way I use Instagram by reducing the time I use it and also the amount of times I check it per day. Would I do this challenge again? I think yes. I am really happy that I did it because it just proved me that I am not addicted to it, that I couldn't survive without it. I was able to find more time to do things what mattered to me, and I know now that there is enough time for everything. It's just if we prioritize it for the things we really think are important. And also regarding the communication, I believe it's so much better to see the person in life if possible, or if not, then having a call either just through phone or through Skype or Zoom or whatever, to see the real emotion of the person and to hear what has been going on in their lives. It's so much better, it's so much more real, so much more human. I guess I can suggest also to you to try doing something like this. If you cannot do it for a month, try it for a week, try it for a weekend, try it per day, and see how and if does it change anything in your life. I hope it does. If not, at least you will know it for yourself. Thank you for watching my video and hope to see you guys soon.
Okay, smart.
3, 2, 1, go!